Hi, this is Jason from Union Tech Solutions.
And I'm Elan from Uptown Metals Recycling.
Today we wanted to talk to you about electronic recycling. When we go on site, we do disconnect, reconnect services, technology services for clients. We see a lot of clients have rooms filled with old technology, servers, UPSs, old computers. It's typically got a lot of secure information that clients are not sure how to get rid of. So we call Elan from Uptown Metals.
And basically what we do is we take all your outdated old technology. Instead of it going to the landfill, we basically recycle 70 to 75% of the product.
Now, when I have full server rooms that need decommissioning and when people are moving to the cloud, what do you do with the server rack, the UPSs, the batteries, all those types of things?
Good question, Jason. So what we do is with the actual product, we process the product. If you actually take a UPS, for example, and recycle it, there are many components that need to be processed properly in order to be recycled properly. You can't recycle plastic with metal.
So you actually separate everything?
Every single component.
So one of the pain points we find with our clients is hard drives. They're not sure what to do with them because there's a lot of secure data on them. And they're really not sure what the process is and what the certificate of destruction is. Could you tell me about that?
That certificate of destruction is your proof that it's been properly disposed in a secure fashion. We take the technology, destroy it, and shred it.
So the client can have peace of mind that their hard drives with secured information is securely destroyed.
Always, and those certificates is the proof that it's been safely disposed.
Can you tell me what the hard drives look like after they've been shredded?
Basically, picture grated cheese. It'll look like that. So it'll be physically impossible to put it back together.
If you have any old technology or e-waste that needs recycling or hard drives that need destroying, please give us a call and we'll be happy to help you.